Good morning guys. Sa video na ito, I'm going to show you kung paano mag-loan sa Shopee application. So, first, of course, open natin yung Shopee app. And then, after you open, you're going to click me dito sa baba. Then, may bago silang option dyan na or feature na is tawag ay Sloan. So, click nyo yung Sloan nyo. Then, click nyo yung activate now. So, these are the way to use the loan from Shopee. So, click nyo yung activate now. And dito yung yellow na part. Ito send ako sa phone number mo. Requirements are to upload your ID, valid ID. So, for example, your unit ID. So, settings. You need to allow the Shopee app. You need to permit the Shopee app. Okay, so click natin. Ito, again, kung ano po yung valid ID. So, as an example, doon is yung unit ID natin. So, mas madali silang ma-approve kung gamit yung unit ID natin. Special park. You are a government employee. So, confirm. And then, after you upload the ID, the second step is you need to fill up this following information. So, there's additional information gaya ng gender, nationality, the date of birth, the place of birth, your status. Then, kung may occupation niyo. As an example, so I'm a teacher. And then, employment, you're employed. The company or the business name. And the industry. Select natin yung industry natin. Education, the level of education, monthly income, monthly income mo, and then you're going to set your permanent address, confirm, there's another information here sa character reference. So, lagay mo yung, you can put your spouse, for example, input my wife, name, then the contact number of the reference is also included. So just go for more information, like they have someone to contact in case you cannot pay for the monthly payment. So, ito yung number, relationship again, spouse, or your parents. And then, number phone number is not correct. So, confirm. Just double check. So, tama yung information. May GPS permission, so you need to allow them to click your address. So, permission, and then location. So, you need to click on allow all the time. Everything is okay. So, confirm. Click mo yung confirm na nasa baba. Okay, there's a facial verification. So, verify nila if tama yung nasa ID's application will be reviewed for 3 working days. So, as you can see, nasa baba, it's under review yung Sloan natin. So we'll wait for 3 days to check if approve yung loan natin or not. That's the process and we're going to apply for Shopee loan or Sloan. So you can check that one yung Shopee app. Okay, so this is in continuation sa video natin if to check if approve yung loan na in-apply natin sa Shopee. So pinalik natin yung Shopee app. Okay, so yung nandito sa baba and then so as you can see it's approved na. So may amount na nakalagay doon, that's 2,500. That's the maximum amount that you can apply sa Shopee loan. So there's 2 options or the term po ng loan. You can apply for 3 months or you can apply for 3 months. We also have 6 months. So of course mas mababa yung payment ng 3 months. I mean mas lower yung interest for 3 months compared sa 6 months. But of course mas malaki yung amount na babayaran mo for in the term na 3 months compared sa 6 months. Then my loan protection, these are the benefits if you're going to click for loan protection. And then just click loan protection or kung ayaw mo ng loan protection, so muna i-click. Then there's an admin fee of 1%, so from 2,500 there's a fee of 1%, that's 25 pesos. So all the amount that you will receive is 2,475. So there, tingnan natin. So na-click ko na po yung nasa baba. For me to transfer your loan withdrawal is under review. So as you can see, nire-review but again mas madali ang process ng pag-review nila kasi nandito na is you can check the amount of 2.5 so automatic. Ilang minutes na, just ilang minutes you can check on your Shopee app na na-credit na yung amount. So click on your home page, so nandun yun sa yung amount na nakalagay doon is 2,475. So we're going to transfer ito one, going to choose e-wallet. So nilagay ko yung Gcash account ko kasi mas convenient sa akin pag gumamit ng Gcash. Nilagay yung amount, nagka-cash in, then transfer, send money to your e-wallet. So send to, or you have the other option if you want to send to your bank account, or you can send that one directly sa again Gcash account niyo po. So that's the amount, 2,475. So there's another admin fee of 15 pesos to transfer from Shopee to your Gcash account. So click natin ulit. So 2,475 kailangan to 460 kasi may fee na 15 pesos. So that's 2,460 yung amount na ma-receive natin to our Gcash account. So click mo lang yung nasa baba na red option for them to transfer that amount to your Gcash account. So okay, everything is okay, especially with your Gcash number. Click OK. So as you can see, wala ng amount yung Shopee Pay natin. So that means amount is already been transferred to our Gcash account. So check natin yung account natin sa Gcash if pumasok na yung 2,460. So and then yes, so I already had a balance of 16 pesos at 37 cents. So tumagdag yung amount na 2,460. So that's all for today, guys. I hope ma-approve ng Shopee yung application nyo na loan sa kanilang app. So God bless sa lahat.